This video demonstrates how to configure the virus protection function on the Firewall 1600Z S-Series cloud-managed firewall and check the protection effect. Virus protection is a security detection technology that analyzes network traffic and files in real time. It can promptly identify viruses and generate alarms or block traffic to protect intranet data. The virus protection function can detect viruses within a variety of file types including image, video, audio, and web content transmitted through HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and POP3 protocols. In scenarios where intranet users often upload or download files and send emails over the internet, you can enable the virus protection function to detect and defend against viruses in the files and emails, offering robust protection for intranet data security. After the virus protection function is enabled, the device automatically detects common viruses without the need for manual configuration to detect specific viruses. Now, let's delve into the working principles of virus protection. The firewall provides extensive and constantly updated virus protection signature libraries. In these libraries, virus characteristics such as hash values are defined. By extracting packet characteristics and matching them against the virus characteristics one by one, the firewall can identify and block virus packets and allow normal packets to pass through. Here's how the virus protection mechanism operates. After packets arrive at the firewall, it filters out illegitimate packets based on security policies and forwards legitimate packets to the virus protection module for in-depth detection. The virus protection module matches packets against the virus characteristics in the virus protection signature library one by one. If a packet matches a characteristic, the module processes the packet based on the action specified in the security policy. If the packet does not match any characteristic, the module considers the packet as a normal service packet. The virus protection function is available only after the antivirus (AV) license is purchased and activated. After the license expires, the virus protection function can work normally based on existing virus signature libraries, but the signature library versions cannot be upgraded. To ensure high detection accuracy, upgrade the signature libraries regularly. To upgrade the signature library, choose System Signature Library Upgrade. To view the license activation status and validity period, choose System Config Authorization Management. Let's go through the process of configuring the virus protection function in a typical networking environment. As shown in the figure, intranet users access the FTP server on the internet through the firewall to upload to and download files from the FTP server. The virus protection function is required to detect viruses in files transmitted on the network and protect intranet hosts from virus attacks. Log into the firewall, choose Object Content Template of Virus Protection, and click the Predefined Template tab. By default, the device provides the predefined template default to detect viruses of all files transmitted through HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and POP3 protocols. Typically, you can directly use the default template. In this example, you only need to configure a template to detect viruses in FTP files. Click the Custom Template tab. Click Create. On the Add Virus Protection Template page, perform the following steps. Enter the template name, for example, viruscheck_FTP. Enter a description to specify the function of the template, for example, detect whether FTP packets contain viruses. Set scan mode to quick scan. Configure FTP as the protocol and select Upload and Download. Click Advanced Settings and set excluded rules. The detailed configuration is omitted here. Verify that the configuration is correct and click Save. Now, let's see how to configure a security policy. Choose Policy as Security Policy. Click Create. In the dialog box that is displayed, you can choose to directly add a security policy or enter the simulation space to add a security policy. Here, a security policy is directly added. Click Create in the dialog box. The Create Security Policy page is displayed. Enter the name of a security policy, for example, policy_AV. The following special characters are not allowed. The policy is enabled by default. If it is disabled, the policy does not take effect. Select the policy group to which the policy belongs. You can group policies to facilitate management. Configure the policy location. A policy closer to the top has a higher matching priority. Enter a description to specify the function of the security policy. Set the source security zone to trust, source address to any, destination security zone to untrust, destination address to any, service to FTP, and application to any. If the time range is set to any, the configuration takes effect permanently. Click Add One-Off Time Plan or Add Cyclic Time Plan to add a time range. Set the action to permit. Enable virus protection, select the template virus check_FTP, and set the action to block. Disable the other functions under Content Security. Verify that the configuration is correct and click Save. Finally, verify the configuration effect. On the Security Policy Overview page, view the number of times a security policy is hit and the session hit information. Choose Monitor Log monitoring the security log. Click Search Criteria. Set the source zone to trust, destination zone to untrust, log type to virus protection, and click Search to view the protection effect of the virus protection template.